It's easy to create text along a custom path in BuzzWord. Select the Create Path Text tool from the toolbar on the left. Now click along the desired path in the space pane. The left mouse button creates curved nodes and the right mouse button creates straight nodes for sharp angles. To end the path, double-click the last point or hit Enter on your keyboard. You can also click on the information box in the top right corner of the workspace to end the path. In the text field of the Object Properties dialog, enter your text. It is displayed along the path you created. Adjust the height of the lettering using the arrows or type in a value. There are two ways you can change the shape of the path you've entered. Click on the Select Move Objects tool and adjust the overall size of the path by dragging a corner of the displayed object. To edit the individual nodes, first click on the Edit Object Shape tool. You can now move, add, or delete the individual nodes along the path. Position your cursor on the stitches to drag them in the hoop without modifying the path. Use the Advanced Text tab of the Object Properties dialog to adjust how the text is positioned along the path and to change the path alignment.